How to increase a Snapchat score without sending a snap. In today's video, I'll be showing you the easiest and quickest way to increase your Snapchat score but without sending the snaps. For that, do watch the video till the end. First of all, open a Snapchat app, and once you open it, select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you reach on your feed, you will see the Snapchat score icon next to your birthday icon. Just tap on it and you will see your Snapchat score is 2173. You can also view the snaps sent or viewed and the snaps received and snaps added to stories. Let's close it, and in order to increase a Snapchat score without sending a snap, just come back from this page and select the chats icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, open any of the friends' snap that they have sent to us. Once they have once you view it and close it, and again go back and tap on the Bitmoji icon, and later if you will see waiting for a few moments that your snap score has been automatically increased. So by viewing the snaps that our friends have sent to us, our Snapchat score will increase without sending snaps. So in this way we can easily increase a Snapchat score without sending a snap. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel.